Hello friends, today we will see the topic from the digital communication. It is a 1 bit digital comparator. 1 bit it is nothing but a single bit. We can compare a single bit with other single bit. That is nothing but a 1 bit digital comparator. Digital it is nothing but which compares only a digital signal. That is nothing but digital signal in terms of 0 and 1. Now we will see which are the basic gates which requires for a 1 bit digital comparator. In this 1 bit digital comparator, we are having a NOT gate, that is nothing but an inverter. Then we require AND gate and the XOR gate. Here we require two NOT gate. A NOT gate it is nothing but an inverter which can invert the input value. That is nothing but whatever the input it invert in the opposite. That is nothing but when we will apply a 1 to the inverter, that will give output it is a 0, and when we apply a 0, output will we get 1. That is nothing but a inverter or the NOT gate. The next gate it is a AND gate. AND gate particularly used for the multiplication of two numbers, two single bit numbers, and here we'll get output in terms of the multiplication. When we apply a 2 input, 1 plus 1 into 1 at the output side of a not of a AND gate, it is a 1 into 1 1. But when we apply a 0 into 1, that means one input as a 0, another input as a 1. When it multiplies 0 into 1, output will be a 0. That is nothing but a truth table for the AND gate. And the XOR gate, which is nothing but exclusive OR gate. It is also a two input OR gate, XOR gate, which is having in the diagram. Here we will see the XOR gate. It is simply a OR gate, and at the output side there is a bubble which indicates the exclusive OR operation. Here we will see a input is given to the NOT gate, and same that A input also given to the one of the input of a AND gate. That A input is given to the NOT gate. Here we will get when it is a 0, at that time at the input of a AND gate it will be a 1. Then another input it is nothing but a B, and that is given to the NOT gate, and that same input it is given to the next another one input of a AND gate. Now whatever the outputs of a NOT gate, these are the one of the two inputs of a NOT gate, and there is a cross connection of a NOT gate, and that output of an AND gate which is given to the two inputs of a XOR gate. Here at the output of an AND gate, first AND gate, that is nothing but a C is equal to A bar B. It is nothing but A is less than B. When our equation it will be in the terms of A bar B, it is nothing but A is small than B. And next D output is there, that is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar and whole bar. This is the equation for the XOR gate, that is nothing but A is equal to B. When the values of A and B are equal, that is nothing but A is equal to B. And the E operation, it is nothing but A into B bar. It is nothing but A is greater than the B. These are the three terms of the comparator, a single bit digital comparator. Now we will see the truth table for this digital comparator. We are having inputs A and B. When the inputs 0 0 are there, A is greater than B, it is nothing but a 0. Outputs A is equal to B and A is less than B. In first case, when A is 0, B is 0, both the inputs are same, at that time our equation it will be A is equal to B. That's why in the truth table we have shown A is equal to B bar output, that column it will be a 1. Now when the input B is 0 and input A is 1, at that time A is greater than B. Obviously A value of A is 1 and value of B is 0. That's why A is a greater than the B. That's why in this case for this A greater than B, it is nothing but a 1, and another outputs are a 0. When B is 1 and A is 0, at that time obviously A is less than B. That is nothing but a B is greater than the 1 A. That's why this indicates the 1. When both the inputs are same 1 1, at that time again A is equal to B. This is nothing but a 1 bit digital comparator. We can make 1 bit digital comparator by using simply a 4 to 5 logic gates, which includes 2 NOT gate, 2 AND gate and 1 XOR gate. That is nothing but a 1 bit digital comparator. Thank you.